Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy to come back with a spring makeup look today. So we're gonna get into those peach color eyeshadows using only drugstore makeup. So let's just get right into it. So first I'm using my NYX primer, the Shine Killer as usual. And now I really want my base to be really glowy, so I'm gonna do the same base I did in my last video. I'll link it down below if you guys want to see it. So we're using the Lumi highlighter as a base before we put on our foundation. I actually put more this time. It actually worked really well when I put a little bit more. It was really glowy in the end. So next I'm going to use my foundations that I used in my previous video. Also, all the colors will be down below if you guys want to know what shade I am in as usual. So you really want to blend, and you see like the highlight will really blend through. And for my eyebrows, I do them off camera because you guys see me do my eyebrows like 100 times already, and I do it the same exact way I always do it. So next I'm gonna conceal with my Fit Me concealer number 30. So we're gonna conceal, we're gonna shape those eyebrows first, like I always do them. And then I'm gonna conceal my dark circles because I've been a bit tired. You can see my eyes are a bit darker compared to my last videos. So you really want to conceal it. My forehead, my upper lip, my nose also. I'm gonna use like a dome brush to really pack it on, so it really gives me the most coverage that I can get compared to my foundation brush. That's why I'm using this brush instead of my foundation brush, because it gives me the most coverage. This and my Beauty Blender are the best ones. So you make sure you blend everything out. And then my brows are done, so I'm gonna move to the finishing powders. I'm gonna use my Fit Me loose powder. As usual, with the same brush I blended my concealer with, so it really packs it on and I don't get oily throughout the day. So after this I'm using a powder foundation as my bronzer. Honestly, this part is only for me. You guys are really not going to see it on camera, but it's a bit darker than my regular shade, so it gives me a bit of a bronze look, just a little bit. And now for the eyeshadow look. So I'm using my Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, water break. And first I'm going to use my blending brush. I'm going to use that top color, the orangey shade, as my transition color. So as usual, always build it up, so I use just a little bit by a little bit, and you want it to be not too dark but just dark enough so you have a nice transition. You want to put it all over the lid, on the crease, and also bring it in just a little bit more in the inner corner, just like that. So next I'm going to use the transition color, the darker one that comes in the palette. It says transition, so you guys can just pick up this one. So I'm going to do my crease a little bit darker again. This shade is a bit darker, less orangey, a bit more purple-ish, I guess I would say. So you want to do the exact same thing you did with the first eyeshadow, and you want it to look something like this. So next I'm going to use that really glittery color. It's really nice. You use an eyeshadow brush. It has like, it's almost like a peach color with a gold flecks in it. So I'm going to use my setting spray just to make it more vibrant. And I'm going to put it all over the lid. You don't have to use the setting spray, just for me. I just want it to be more out there, I guess. And then we're going to go back with the transition color, just make sure there's no lines in between the eyeshadow on the lid and the crease. So I'm going to take the gold color that's right on top of the other color we just used and put it in the inner tear duct. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to use my two transition colors and just put it on my lower lash line, and I'm with a dome brush. And then after, I'm going to use my blending brush just to make sure there's no lines, so it's not harsh, and everything just goes seamless. And then I'm going to highlight the brow with the shimmer color that's on top. Just a little bit. Honestly, it was a bit too white for me, so I just put the smallest amount. And then I'm going to take the matte brown shade that's in the palette. I'm just going to drag a line on my lash line just so I have a base when I'm going to put my false lashes. For mascara, I'm using a new one. I never used this one before. It's L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. I really liked it. It really made my lashes really long. It's not thickening, it's really lengthening. So if you put lashes on, it's really nice. I'm going to put it on top and the bottom lashes. And we popped on the lashes. I'll put the name down below. It's always the same ones that I use because I really love them. So the name will be down below. And then for my lips, I use my Rimmel brown, well, it's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Captivating Copper lipstick just for a nude lipstick. I just wanted to keep it really soft, and I really like the look. For my highlight, I'm gonna use my Master Chrome highlighter as usual because I love it. I just can put it down. This and the Amrezy, I just can put them down, so I always use them. Sorry guys, but I love them. So I put it on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my chin also. And then I'm just gonna set my face with my Badescu facial spray. And I'm gonna add a bit more highlight because it pops right after the setting spray. And that is it, guys. So this is the peachy look, the spring look for you guys. And just don't forget to comment down below, like if you liked it, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.